Hey, so how would you like to build this awesome archway? Pretty cool, so you can have your stuff growing up and over it. If you want to see how I did it, come watch me. So it begins. The archway for this year watermelons are going to be going over. I got my big stakes in here. I just got my loop done with my PVC. Stay tuned to see how it goes. Materials that we're going to need for this project is this 5-foot T-post, a 10-foot long, 1/2-inch PVC, 8-inch zip ties or cable ties, and this 3-foot roll of fencing. Tools you're going to need, I use this 4-pound sledgehammer and these little snips here. You could also use these as well, just something to cut that wiring with. So I've already got a couple of the arches in. I've taken these 5-foot stakes and I've put them on the side there and just hit them down with the mallet. So the fencing I'm using is 3 feet wide. So I have this one sit right on the ground. I'm going to push it down and hit it down with the mallet. After you get your height, put your one end here. I zip tied this. So after I have it on, you see it's really tall. We're going to go ahead and make that bend. Super easy to do. You don't really need to put that much pressure on it at all. I'm just going to pull it down and then have a zip tie in my hand and just tie it up on the other side. So you can see, really it's not that much pressure. I only have one zip tie holding it on. So I'm going to try to get my arch height lined up and finish putting all my zip ties on to secure it. And there we go, just like that. I got my zip ties on there, both sides. I'm 76.5 inches from the ground up. Now I have my archway. Next thing to do is I'm going to sheathe it with, I think it's 16 gauge wire. It's 3 feet wide. So these are 3 feet wide. So I'm going to zip tie them right to this. Here she is. I got the archway all done with the fencing here. So I didn't do a video of me putting the fencing up, but it's pretty straightforward. I just had it on a bundle there, lifted it all the way down and just zip tied them on. As I went up, I just made it tighter and tighter all the way down. One thing I did do here on the double layer is I did zip tie them both to add more to the structure. So you can tell this thing isn't going to go anywhere. It should be good to go. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this instructional video on how to build an archway. If you did, I appreciate if you give it a share as well as a like. If you have any questions on when you're attempting to make one of these, please feel free to shoot me a message. And until next time, keep growing and building.